Aku agak senang karena event yang mancing tuh kemarin datang. Terus aku dapat semua berendrot ini. Ini cepet banget loh, isting tralalelo uangnya. Uangnya banyak banget. Aku mau jual semua tapi gak jadi guys. Cuma mau yang di atas aja. Soalnya aku mau ribet guys. Tuh tinggal dikit lagi uangnya. Sudah nih. Aku harus jaga-jaga tempat aku nih guys. Soalnya event datang. Ngapain dia mau curi barang aku kalau dia udah punya? Hah? Ini udah kosong semua. Kita harus jual nih. Aku nih pertama kali banget punya secret. Aku nih pingin banget guys emas base emas. Gimana lah itu ngomongnya. Tapi ini susah banget guys cara dapetin ini. Dia tuh mau curi barang aku cuma buat dijual. Yes, kamu ya. Dia kira cuma dia yang punya itu. Aku juga punya. Mau rasain diri sendiri. Nih, rasain. Gimana rasanya? Enak gak? Enak gak rasanya? Enak gak? Dia parah banget mau curi. Aku tuh cuma mau membantu orang. Aku pingin jualin guys. Tapi aku takut. Rahasianya banyak banget guys. Aku nggak sanggup. Aku cuma isting tralalelo. Yang penting aku tuh pernah dapet guys secret Gatli pernah. Cuma kena curi.
Put down.
Yes, apa sih ini? Selama nih. Rasain. Apa sih ganggu base aku? Yes, harus hilang. Aku tinggal cari Giraffe Celeste guys. guys. Guys, dia punya yang baru. Sana kok. Aku mau curi. Punya kamu. Set, set. Oke, dia beku. Guys, satu kali. Kita foto guys. Bentar, kita foto dulu nih. Foto shoot dulu. Foto. Aku kirim ke temen aku guys. Soalnya dia tuh pingin banget itu X1 ini. Aku video ya guys. Diem. Oke, sudah. Sekarang kita harus amankan base kita. Kita taruh piu-piunya. Aku udah curiga sama server ini guys. Nah kan? Bukan aku bilang makan ya guys, nakan. Ini jam 12 guys. Ini udah ngerusuh banget sih. Aku pengen pindah server tapi aku kunci base dulu. Yes. Sempet kali bah. Kau ya. Langsung metong dong guys pas aku slap.
Ini medeng aja telepon berat.
Onge. Siap bang. Siap.
Di dalam lemari aja.
Siap. Oke, karena aku udah punya X1 itu, aku gak mau main dulu setelah brand road. Aku suruh temanku, aku mau titip di temanku namanya Velope. Tapi aku takut dia ceroboh. Soalnya dia ceroboh, kena curi. Aku titip Lavaka Galaxy aja. Katanya kena curi meme. Brah. Hari ini dia masih ngorok. Guys, jangan salfok, aku bilang jam 12 tapi ini masih jam 11. iPad aku aneh guys. Di HP jamnya 12. Di iPad hari jamnya 11. Oh. Apa tuh?
But we can't cut trees. At first we joined the game, and luckily we found 2 coals to fuel the fire to level 2. All of us then started exploring and collected every logs we see on the ground. We then proceed to explore more so we can loot the whole map and open a lot of chests. Once we looted the whole map, we then went back to the base and fueled the fire. The Huntrix then found a house, so we immediately collected the chairs and opened the chest. We then put the materials on the crafting bench and bought all the important stuffs we need to survive. But that's when Rumi told us to save the kids, so we agreed and immediately went to the first kid. We easily defeated all the wolves and we successfully saved the Dino kid. We then proceed to save all the other kids and disperse all of them on the base. Zoe then built all the beds so the kids can sleep at night. We didn't have to do anything now, so we decided to rescue the deer. We first put the bandage on the deer and fed it until it's full. And once the deer was rescued, we didn't have to worry about the cultist raid anymore since the deer is helping us. Me and the Huntrix then decided to loot the whole volcano biome. We went on killing spree until the cultist species got extinct.
Latihan wall hop nih guys.
Spawned in and started chasing us. Thankfully, the game finally reached 99 days. But if you want to play with us, just like and subscribe. Surviving 99 nights with the Huntrix, but we can't cut. How on earth is this even possible? It started when Rumi approached me in the lobby saying she wants to show me something. I got curious to what she's going to show me, so I entered the game with her. As we loaded into the game, Rumi said to fuel the fire first so we can access the map. So both of us immediately started fueling the fire until it reached max level. But that's when Rumi asked me to follow her into the forest, so I agreed and proceed to follow her.
Nampilkan pemain biar kalian enak ya guys. Aku kayak 11 detik. Ada. Ulang guys. Tum. Aduh. Ada. Is. Kikuk. Kenapa itu nggak mentok? Oh. Kikuk. Is, apa sih susahnya? Is.
I got so scared, so I immediately ran away from the volcano and went back to the base. But that's when Ruby catch up to me and said she still wanted to show me something. I was hesitant at first, but I agreed and followed her because I was curious. She then led me back to the volcano and something. I got curious to what she's doing until she started flying and spawned tons of monsters around us. I was so startled and started running away immediately. I then saw a house. We went inside it and hid. But that's when Rumi went inside the house and spawned another monsters. And before I knew it, I got chased by thousands of rams and owls. I thought I was dead until I saw a hole in the map and lured the monsters into it so they would fall. Rumi then said it was all a prank and left the game. But if you want to play with me, just like and subscribe.
Gimana nggak ke situ mulu? Ini deket banget buat jalan.
I was so shocked because I have never played with a whole team of hacker before. They then fueled the fire to max level easily and started raining down millions of materials and loots on the base. I got so happy and started picking up all the overpowered stuffs on the ground. But that's when the hacker said they would save all the kids and flew away. So while the hacker wasn't on the campfire, I decided to make a defense for our base. And once I was done, I was so happy with how our base turned out. And when the hackers came back to the base, they were so shocked with how good the defense is. They then dispersed the kids on their sack, but instead of 4, they saved thousands of kids. I got so happy because I can finally reach 1,000 days. But that's when the hackers said to follow them because they want to show me something. I got curious to what they're gonna show me, so I followed all of them. They then led me to the volcano, and I was so shocked I captured all.
Gampang guys.
99 nights in the forest, me and the Huntrix tried to rescue the deer, but something unexpected happened. It all started when me and the Huntrix found the deer laying down with a lot of injuries. We felt bad for the deer, so me and the Huntrix immediately looted the whole map to find a bandage. And once we have 2 bandages, we immediately came back to the deer to heal his injuries. We first attached the antler to his head, then cured his broken limbs. We all thought we completely healed him, but the deer is still sitting down. All of us got confused why the deer didn't run away until Mira bought a meat and fed it to the deer. We were surprised that the deer ate it, so we immediately started killing wolves until it went extinct. And once we had enough meats, we then fed it to the deer many times until he can stand up. And after that, he helped us beat all the cultist raid and even killed the wolves so we can save the kids. We are very safe because we have the deer by our side now. But suddenly the ram spawned in and started attacking us. The deer then started protecting me and Rumi, and thankfully he was able to defeat the ram and it ran away. We all thought we won, but that's when the ram came back with the owl, then attacked the deer. So me and the deer immediately came back to the base to escape them both. The deer then said he would help us again, but only for 15,000 like 99 nights in the forest has a huge problem. Every game I play, there's always at least one hacker in my team. And today I happened to load into the game with one of them. I asked him if he can help us, and he agreed and started fueling the fire as usual. Me and my teammates were so happy. Then he started raining scraps on the crafting bench and saved all the kids at once. At first I thought this hacker was a pro.
Gini guys, caranya bisa jago di sini. Pertama tuh jangan coba cari yang menurut kalian gampang. Kayaknya ini gampang deh guys. Menurut aku coba dulu. Ya guys, ini gampang. Terus kalian ke sana, lompat aja. Ini kenapa aku gak bisa lihat kepalaku ya? Yes. Tuh kan gak bisa.
so happy with how our base turned out. But that's when the hacker said he has God mode and can't die. We didn't believe him at first until we saw the ram is attacking him, but he's not dying at all. All of us was so shocked, so we asked him if we can beat the stronghold. He then agreed, and we went into the stronghold and opened the door. We didn't have to do anything because the hacker is using his kill aura to kill the cultist. And with only 2 minutes, we beat the stronghold and we claimed the rewards. The hacker is still not banned, so I asked him to abuse his hacks. He then agreed, then immediately used all his hacks to the base. And after abusing his hacks, the hacker is finally banned. But if you want to play with a hacker, just like and subscribe. It's another day and 99 nights in the forest. And today, after teaming up with a lot of hackers, this hacker was so rude to us, so I taught him a lesson. It all started when I loaded into the game with Zoe and a random noob. I thought this would be a normal game until we saw the noob was flying like crazy. He then teleported all the fuel to the fire until it reaches max level. Me and Zoe got so happy, then the hacker spawned tons of loots on the campfire. So both of us immediately equipped all the overpowered stuffs. The hacker was kind to us at first. He cut down all the big trees around us, and he even gave us a lot of foods and made the most overpowered base of all time. But once everything
Kayaknya
was
Koko
set, the
suka
hacker
deh.
kicked Zoe out of the base saying he doesn't. How on earth is this even possible? It all started when I loaded into a game with a lot of bacon. How on earth is this even possible? It all started when me and Genu was about to enter the game, but that's when a random bacon with 0 days approached us saying he wants to play with us. We felt bad for the bacon, so we let him join our game. As we loaded into the game, me and Genu immediately started fueling our fire and gathered a lot of foods. But that's when we saw that the bacon was trying to kill a wolf and died, so we immediately revived him and told the bacon to be careful. Me and Genu then went out to the base and started saving the first kid. And once we saved the kid, we then went back to the base. But once we arrived, we were so shocked that there are tons of loot scattered on the ground, and our crafting bench was filled with thousands of materials. Me and Genu was confused to who did it until we saw the bacon flying. He then said he's a hacker and wants to repay our kindness. Then all of a sudden, he started teleporting all the loots and materials on him. We got so happy, so we immediately started equipping all the overpowered stuffs. The bacon then said he will make the most overpowered base of all time. We didn't believe him at first, until 10 days later our base was surrounded with tree walls. The bacon then put me on his sack and fly, and I was so shocked with how good the base is. This was the best base I have ever seen so far. The hacker then revived us and said he would help a random person in the comment who like and subscribe. How on earth is this even possible?
Ya
How on
lagi.
earth is this even possible? It all started when me and the Huntrix were just sacrificing cultists to the lava pit. But that's when the deer spawned in and started attacking us. I was able to escape and went back to the base, but the Huntrix all died. So when the morning came, I immediately revived all of them, then asked them if we can make a volcano
Yeah.
base.
I think you need to go to the vet today to get a checkup. What do you say?
Kita buka ini.
I have to work. I'll take you for a walk later. Who do you love more, mommy or daddy? Daddy?
Who do you prefer, mom or dad? Hey Stella, can I have a kiss?
Mia, if you love me, home.
Zoe, ring the bell. Zoe, go to your bed.
I think you need to go to the vet today to get a checkup.
How on earth is this even possible? It all started when I loaded into the game with Rumi, but that's when we saw a random guy joined us saying he's a hacker. We laughed at him first because we thought he was joking until he started flying wildly. Me and Rumi were shocked, so we apologized to the hacker and asked him to help us beat the game. He then happily agreed. Then he started teleporting all the fuel to the campfire until level 6. Me and Rumi got so happy, but then suddenly the hacker disappeared. We thought he left until he teleported
Aku mau
back to
jadi
the base and
kucing,
destroyed
guys.
all the kids on his sack. We
Dan
asked him if he
kita
could-
hilangin dua ini.
Armor and guns for us. Me and Rumi got so excited,
Dan
so we
kita
started bringing all the
ambil
overpowered
masker
stuff.
kucing.
Another day and 99 nights in the forest.
Tada! Aku jadi kucing.
With each other. I then saw them entering the game. It's another day and 99 nights in the forest. Today, I'm gonna secretly prank the Team Huntrix until they leave the game. So I asked them if they want to play with me, and they all happily agreed, and we enter the game. As we loaded into the game, I played the game normally, so the Huntrix wouldn't suspect anything. We first fueled the fire to max level, then I started looting the whole map and gathered a lot of foods for them. The Huntrix seems to trust me now, so I decided to finally perform the prank. So to do the prank, I
Kayak aku
first
nggak
secured the
boleh
anvil and grabbed the hammer.
sombong.
After
Aku
completing the anvil parts, I
harus
immediately crafted the hammer
kan.
and back to the base. Once I saw the Huntrix went out to the base, I knew it was the perfect timing. I then immediately started picking up all the important things on the base. Once the base is cleared, I quickly drop all the things in the bush so they can't find it. When the Team Huntrix came back, they were so shocked that all the things are gone. They then asked me if I did it, but I just acted innocent and said I didn't. My plan was actually working, so when I saw Mira was AFK, I put the hammer in front of her. And minutes later, I saw Rumi and Zoe was so angry to Mira. I felt bad for Mira, so I told the Huntrix that I was the one who did it. They all then got angry to me and started chasing me with their axe and dropped me into the lava pit. But if you want to play with us, just like in it's another day and 99 nights in the forest. And today, me and the Saja boys are going to be surviving on this carnival base until we beat the game. It all started when I saw the Saja boys in the lobby. I asked them if we can beat the game on a carnival base, and they all happily agreed, then we entered the When the trees are fully grown, we were so happy with how good our base is. Everything is settled now, so all of us decided to save all the kids so days could go
Kena
faster.
tipuan,
Once we
guys.
saved all the kids, we then came back to the hospital to wait for 90. It's another day and 99 nights in the forest. And today, I saw 3 players in the lobby talking bad about me. I told them that I can read their chat, but they didn't care. Then started to trash talk me and telling me that I'm a noob. I, of course, wouldn't let that disrespect slide, so I told them to join me into the game so I can prove them wrong. They then agreed, after which we all entered the game. As we loaded into the game, all of them won't stop barking and kept telling me that I'm a noob. I didn't mind. It's another day and 99 nights in the forest. And today I was just in the lobby when all these players kept following me around. I asked them what do they want from me. Then they all said they're a fan and they want to play with me. Since they're my subscribers, I of course agreed to play with them. Then we all enter the game. As we loaded into the game, they were all so happy that I played with them. So I asked them to take care of our base and they all agreed.
Asik,
And they
aku
immediately started
udah di
fueling the fire until
dalamnya.
tons of food, so I won't stop. They were all
Kenapa aku
Another day
mati?
and 99 nights in the forest. And today, I was just pretending to be a noob in the lobby and asking everyone who wanted to play with me. But that's when I saw 3 players was about to enter the game. I asked them if I can join, but they said only a pro can join them. I really want to play with someone right now, so I joined them the last second. As we loaded into the game, all of them started being mean to me and telling me to leave. I told them that I can help them beat the game, but then they started chasing me with their axe, so I had no choice but to run away and hide from them. I knew that the nighttime would be dangerous at night without the fire, so I immediately started collecting saplings and planted it around this house. Once the trees are fully grown, I was so happy because I was finally safe at night. Everything is settled now, so I decided to check on the mean players' base. When I arrived at their base, I was so shocked with how good their campfire is. All of them are not in their base, so I started stealing everything I could find and went back to my house. But when I arrived, I saw all of them waiting on my base, then started cutting all my tree wall. They then laughed at me and immediately ran back into their base. I, of course, wouldn't let that slide, so I went into their base and started spamming shells on their base until it's completely destroyed. They all got speechless and quickly left the game crying. But if you want to play with me, just like and subscribe. It's another day and 99...